Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around. It is an absolute gorgeous, gorgeous day, and I just couldn't help but get out and do a little bit of plinking. We are going to stretch the legs on this beautiful, beautiful new Tom Palmer that I just got. I haven't even tried shooting this at short ranges, but I brought it right out here. We're going to shoot 25 yards with a BB gun. So I think this thing's got what it takes. And let's give you a flyby on it first. Mr. Tom Palmer just built this one for me. I have been asking him to work on getting the parts to put this together. And this was the piece right here that actually took the time to get over here. This is a custom made front globe, custom made by his 3D printer in 3D printer guy in Pennsylvania. But what we have here is a Marlin cowboy that there's barely any Marlin left of it. I think maybe the actual body and the cocking lever is probably the only thing left that is original from Marlin. But this one has been converted with a 499B shot tube and internal guts. There is the Tom Palmer logo on the bottom. He signed it for me. It's got this really cool cowboy scene. I thought the cowboy scene was absolutely appropriate for the Marlin cowboy. But there's the Tom Palmer logo on the foregrip. And this one has a very, very long, this is very unusual, very long foregrip, which I thought was very cool. When I saw that on the Sunday walk around, I knew I just had to have it. And then we also have it topped off with a 499B rear sight. And these Marlins do not have a hole drilled in the top that allow you to mount this. You had to special drill that in the stock in order to be able to mount that on there. So, and I still do have the Tom Palmer specific post sight in there right now. So we're gonna shoot with that. I do like my round aperture a little bit better, but figure we would shoot it the way Tom does. This is a very tight barrel with these Daisy match grade BBs. But let's go ahead. I have my aluminum gong out there at 25 yards. Let's see if we can start it off right. Putting! Really pretty cool. If anything, this comb could use to be just a little bit shorter, but that would probably diminish from the looks of it. So there it goes. Really tight. All right, let's see if we can put a couple shots on the splatter burst for starters. Let's see where that one went. Oh, okay. Just above our center dot. Not bad. It is very windy out here today too, so that is not going to help out the situation at all. I did bring out a couple other BB guns. We're going to do some of the Air Guns of Alaska 15-yard can challenge. All right, looks like I'm going just a little high there. I'm not going to adjust it because this is adjusted for 21 feet instead of 25 yards. It's interesting that it's shooting high. If anything, I would have expected it to shoot low. This one was a pretty decent little powerhouse, though. how we group in there. Let me see. About a 2-inch group so far. I don't consider that terrible at all from a ballistic sphere slinger. So much fun. I know I took one of my two 1938B 499B conversions over to the church garage and shot that one at 20 yards, but I don't think I've stretched one of these out this far yet. I know Tom shot his guns out farther, but let's see here. It's just amazing. A typical Red Ryder or Marlin, you don't even see groups like that at 6-7 yards. All right, I fully do not expect that it will have enough power to do it, but I'm going to shoot at the silhouettes at 25 yards. I just have to say, don't do this at a closer distance because it will ricochet. Oop. Not sure where that went. This is one of two new BB guns that I got from Tom this week. There it is. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to have enough power to knock it over, but I hit the ram. The other one is my one and only Tom Palmer rattle trap at the moment anyway, and that one is that red, white, and blue. I'm going to call it Old Glory. All right, can I hit the turkey? Yep. This is a powerful for a BB gun. This is a powerful BB gun, but it still does not have enough power to knock over those. Those are 1/4-inch plate steel 22 targets. All right, let's see if I can hit the pig. Nope. Give it another shot. So I am holding with my post right at the base of the silhouette there. There he is. I don't know if my downrange camera is picking up those BBs bouncing off of those. All right, so now I have my spinner silhouette rack up out there. Those are tough to see. They're in the shade. Ram on the left-hand side. I can't barely see him through the peep sight. There, I got him. think I heard it click. I wonder if some of those misses might. Did I forget to wait for the click? All right. How about the pig? It's those are almost impossible to see through the peep sights. Click. All right. I don't want to keep doing that. I'm going to cause myself some serious eye strain here doing that because it is like I can see that ram really good, and I can see the 22 pig really good because they're sitting up in the sun a little bit better. Let me try for that ram one more time. Got him. All right. Let's hit the gong and then we'll get out of here. Just a ton of fun out here plinking. Ooh. The wind gusted up just as I was squeezing the trigger on that one. I saw the BB go off to the right. Click. There it is. Pating. But anyway, cool stuff. Another fun addition to the Tom Palmer collection. Just an absolute gorgeous gun. And if you are interested in any of Tom's builds, you can find his channel. I will link him in my title down below. And this is an awesome one. So hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.